Hello guys, my name is Sohail Radin. You're watching my channel The Refrigeration in YouTube. In today's video, I want to tell you about demo of all button, all function of Panasonic inverter AC remote control. So friends, let's start the video. But before that, I want to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that the notification of my latest video reaches you first. If you have any problem with your fridge, AC, washing machine, or you want to talk to me on that topic or need any solution, then you can comment me in the comment box. And if you use Instagram, Raza Refrigeration 777 is my Instagram ID, then you can talk to me by following me. I will be happy to help you.
This is the orange color button which turns the AC on and off. The next button is temperature up down. It has a 2 button for temperature, with the help of which we can move the temperature up and down. Right now the temperature is showing 24-degree temperature in the remote. As we press the button, temperature will increase 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. As you increase by 24-degree temperature, the temperature of your room will increase and the cooling of the AC will start decreasing. As you press the down button, and as soon as go below 24-degree temperature, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17 and 16. And the temperature of your room will decrease and cooling of AC will start increasing. And when you do not feel the cold and you get enough coolness, then you use your AC 26-degree temperature. And if you feel cold in 26-degree temperature, then you use your AC in 27-degree temperature. Next button is smart button. With the smart button you can connect your AC to Wi-Fi. How to connect Wi-Fi to Panasonic AC? In this subject I have already made a video in English language. You will get the link of the video in the description. Next button is mode button. Now the most important button is the mode button. Mode button work in 4 ways: cool and dry and fan and auto. First, cool mode. In cool mode you can use all button of the remote. In this mode your AC will work according to you and your AC will be cooling as you went. Second mode, dry mode. Dry mode is used in the rainy season. During the rainy season we that the weather around us is very humid and sweat a lot. Use dry mode to beat the humidity. Next mode, fan mode. Fan mode is used for fan. It does not do AC cooling, only fan run. For example, if you do not have a fan in your room and you want to use a fan, then you can use fan mode. Next mode, auto mode. In auto mode your AC start working in auto. In this mode you cannot set temperature. AC set the temperature on its own. Next button is fan speed. You can use the fan speed button for the speed of the air coming from the AC. Fan speed button has 4 speed: low, medium, high and automatic. Next button is powerful button. You can use the button for fast cooling. If you are coming for outside and you want to cool your room quickly, then you can use the powerful button. The next button is air swing. It uses the move the front swing flap of the AC up and down. It works in 2 ways: manual and swing. As you can see in remote, you can use air swing very easy, and you keep pressing the air swing button continuously. Then the air swing will turn on auto, and turn will be a swing show in the remote. Next button is sleep button. By pressing the sleep button our AC increase the temperature by 2 degrees Celsius every hours. The cold won't disturb our sleep. Next button is display. If your AC display light is on while sleeping at night and it is bothering, then you can turn off the AC display light with the display button. Next button is clean button. After using, as you press clean button, your AC will run automatically for 5 minutes and your AC will be clean. Clean button has many benefits. Your AC will not smell and fungus and the garbage will be clean. The next button is timer button. With the timer button we can turn off the AC according to the time. Very easy to use timer button. As soon as you press the timer button, the time will be set automatically and the time will turn on. It depends on your how many hours of the time you are set. And you want your AC to be turned off by the time and then back on a few hours. Then you can turn on your AC with the off timer button. Hope you like video of mine. Then please like my video.